Welcome to the Experience Annex podcast episode number 14. The title of the episode is Mastering Internet Business in 2024, a Beginner's Guide. In this episode, I walk you through step by step how you can join the internet business trend and start making money using my 7-step internet business success framework. Life is full of experiences and it's good you learn from the experience of others. I'm Paul Uduk, the creator of BWC Squared, which stands for Book Writing Clinic and Book Writers Club, where I show friends like you how to convert ideas into books, blog posts, articles, podcasts, YouTube channels, and other forms of intellectual properties. I'm also the creator of IBMC, Internet Business Mastery Course, where I show aspiring internet entrepreneurs how to succeed online at scale. If I may add, I'm also the creator of OCNA, Online Course Creators Community for newbies and advanced beginners, with over 12,500 members from all over the world. This episode is for you if you are secretly aspiring to get a piece of the internet cake, no matter the type of business you are in. Even though what I share is mostly for course creators, the principles can be applied in any type of online business. A lot has changed online due to advances in AI, that's artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT, Jasper, Google Bard, but the basic principles have not altered. So this episode will smoothen the journey for you. Mastering internet or online business is the aspiration of every man, woman, and child all over the world as online opportunities explode. I wish someone had shared an episode like this with me when I was starting out about 7 years ago. When we hear how 17-year-olds, 35-year-olds, and even 70-year-olds are making millions online, we salivate and wish it was us. This episode will ensure you don't just salivate, but join the internet boom. As technology such as AI propels the world forward, the gap between the digital natives, immigrants, and refugees will widen. This episode will narrow the gap for you. That is why I created Internet Business Mastery Course to show digital immigrants and refugees how internet business really works. Mastering internet business is a must for anyone seeking a decent living as AI pushes us into uncharted territory. This episode is aimed at newbies to provide newbies a process overview of what they should do to succeed online. In short, it is a checklist. It is a checklist of the basics a newbie needs to know to succeed online. I teach the ideas highlighted here to students in my Internet Business Mastery course, and so far, over 400 have graduated from the course. IBMC 11 is registering candidates, so if you want to join, don't wait. Take immediate action by calling a number I will give you. The stages of Internet Business Mastery. According to the Internet Business Guru, Scott Cunningham, people doing online business pass through 3 stages: the crawl, the walk, and the run stage. At the crawl stage, you are making less than $10,000 per annum. At the work stage, you are making between $10,000 and $1 million. And at the run stage, you are making more than, over $1 million yearly. Newbies and advanced beginners. A newbie is a candidate who is new to online business and the internet ecosystem. The stage that is a stage of unconscious incompetence, as psychologists call it. An advanced beginner is a candidate at a stage, at a notch higher. He or she has above average understanding how software, hardware, social media, search engines, and apps work. A candidate at this stage knows what he or she does not know, what psychologists call conscious incompetence. However, just as a newbie, an advanced beginner is yet to make 10,000 monthly recurring revenue online. Typically, an advanced beginner is a versatile professional, business person, or trainer who is doing very well financially offline. He or she knows about the internet, in quotes, and may be active on social media and sometimes even having hundreds of followers. However, he or she does not fully grasp how the internet business ecosystems work in tandem to generate profits. He or she is the type of person we refer to as a digital immigrant or refugee, as opposed to a digital native. My Mastering Internet Business in 2024, a beginner's guide, provides clarity to that both newbies and advanced beginners need to succeed at scale online. How is Internet Business course, IBMC, structured and taught? IBMC is designed around the Internet Business Success Formula I mentioned earlier. It has 7 steps with you in the middle, and technology all round. Let's dive into it. In designing a course, it's important to pick the content at 3 levels: basic, intermediate, and advanced. Internet Business Mastery course, despite the word mastery, is actually a basic level course. On completion, a candidate gains mastery of all is required at the basic level to get started making $10,000 monthly recurring revenue. IBMC is designed as a combo, that is, it incorporates 2 courses: the Internet Business Foundation course and the core Internet Business Mastery course. IBFC, that is Internet Business Foundation course, is designed to lay a solid foundation for newbies and advanced beginners who have registered for IBMC proper. IBFC guides the student on his or her journey as he or she progresses towards online business mastery. In the process, the candidate learns how to build a sustainable online business. What is covered in IBFC? IBFC covers the most helpful ideas and concepts every newbie and advanced beginner needs to know while avoiding overwhelm. IBFC covers basic technologies, definitions, and frequently asked questions, and is mandatory for every candidate joining IBMC. How is IBFC designed? Intermediate Business Foundation course is designed to be highly experiential and immersive. All lessons come in video format, while supporting materials come in video, audio, PDF, and text. Videos, transcripts, workbooks, worksheets, and hands-on assignments are provided throughout the self-paced course to deepen understanding. What are the objectives of IBFC? Learn online business basics and foundational principles, how to build a sustainable online business. Create the confidence you need to succeed online. I mean, as an online business entrepreneur. Reprogram your mind to develop a helping mindset. What are the outcomes expected of IBFC? First, understand how internet business, that's online business, really works. Two, position you as a go-to person in your niche to win big. Three, master how the internet business ecosystem creates value, profit, and wealth. So, what are the contents of IBFC? Basically, we teach what you need to know about online business, developing online business mindset, the different strategies and tactics employed, the different ways of making money online, how the millions are made, some important terms and concepts you need to know, and the internet business success formula, the framework for succeeding, which I showed you earlier. The core internet business mastery course, IBMC. The internet business mastery course is a program that shows you how to build a sustainable online business from the scratch, even if you are a beginner. Its objective is to help you create a living and stop worrying about paid employment, even if you are also a beginner. You are just 20 years old. As earlier said, IBMC runs as a combo with IBFC. So what are the objectives of IBMC? Learn the overarching principle that determines online business success. Understand the 4 building blocks of online business. Create a profile that moves you from an unknown to an online rock star. Master the 4 core models and the 6 core strategies for online success. Learn how to build online assets, your home base, your embassies, your outposts, and your listening posts. Master the right marketing techniques and tools. Learn how to create your first minimum viable products, MVP. Learn how to discover profitable macro and micro niches. Learn how to leverage technology to scale but not be enslaved by technology. Finally, create experiences that ensure that leads are turned to customers and then to fans. Expected outcomes of IBMC: launch your MVP, your minimum viable products, have a functioning dynamic website that converts visitors to leads, build a mailing list consisting of a minimum of at least 1,000 subscribers, see 100% increase in your social media profile recognition, and register your first students before, at least your first 5 students before you complete the course. So it's not like you are going to be like the Instagram sensation, TikTok sensation with 10 million, 20 million followers, or like the video. No, this is not entertainment, it's not music. This is training. Contents of IBMC: making sense of online business and the internet business ecosystem, developing credibility and gravitas, building relationships and cultivating your 1,000 true fans, building and nurturing your mailing list, creating and developing your products, marketing and sales, and monetizing your effort, and then moving fully online, evolving strategies to scale and win long term. The 7-step internet business success formula. Just the breakdown: learning, developing a learning mindset; visibility, becoming an attractive character; relationships, adopting generosity mindset; audience, strategies for generating leads that convert to customers; product and services, creating products that wow customers; marketing and selling, creating irresistible offers, scaling, that's moving online and leveraging everything you've got to succeed at scale. Then there are two necessary factors. One, technology, and two, you as a person, because you are the driver of everything. What are the special design features of IBMC? IBMC, as I mentioned earlier, uses the 7-step internet business success formula shown earlier to make the course come alive. For a start, students join the private Facebook and WhatsApp groups with lots of interactions, thus creating a supporting environment. Questions, challenges, and issues are resolved right in the groups. Every student is given an accountability partner for mutual support and encouragement, and every group have a supporting group within. Also, a comprehensive activity schedule and individual self-assessment sheets are provided to guide the journey, thus providing a sense of direction. Furthermore, progress review meetings are held every week to compare notes and set the tone for the following week. Finally, a formal graduation and send forth celebration is organized to bid the graduates farewell. The entire program is intentional and aims at motivating the student as they journey to success as online business entrepreneurs. This is the end of this episode, Mastering Internet Business in 2024. So stay focused. This is your invite to join IBMC. Currently, IBMC 11 is registering candidates. So I'm inviting you to join. Don't wait, because things change online at the speed of light. So waiting is a bad choice. Until the next episode, keep striving, keep believing in yourself, and be wise. Bye for now.